More companies have stepped up with donation and fundraising initiatives to help government combat coronavirus disease, with the entire Luzon placed under strict quarantine. The Jollibee Group Foundation, run by billionaire Tony Tan Cacteong, added to the pledges on Wednesday night, donating 100 million peso worth of its food products, which include packed meals from Jollibee, Chowking, Mang Inasal, Red Ribbon, Greenwich, Burger King, and Panda Express for health workers and checkpoint personnel. This is aside from the 1 billion pesos the conglomerate allots for its affected employees. The Emergency Response Fund covers all work teams of Jollibee Group's offices, stores, commissaries, and logistics centers, including the senior citizens and PWDs assigned to the stores under the Joint Employment Program with local government units. Employees will continue to get their full month's salary and will receive their 13-month pay by April 30, the country's largest fast food operator said. Jollibee said it would extend the same assistance to its partner employers to provide financial support to their employees during the lockdown of Luzon, which will end on April 12. Tony Tan Cacteong said that in these difficult times, they know how people are worrying about their safety and how to take care of their families. Udena Group, owned by businessman and presidential ally Dennis Uy, also turned over 1,000 COVID-19 test kits to the Department of Health, which is secured through Korea's Myeongji Hospital. Ui's food brands Wendy's and Conti's Bake Shop also served more than 200 food packs to health workers, community workers, and the police. Affected employees will also receive a portion of their 13-month pay and a year-end bonus early, the company said in a statement. Meanwhile, the family of Vistaland owner Manny Villar said they have donated disinfecting tools, 200,000 face masks, and daily supply of bottled water to 9 public hospitals in Metro Manila. Even Chinese billionaire Jack Ma committed to help the Philippines, pledging 500,000 face masks will be sent until next week, Finance Secretary Dominguez said. The Alibaba founder earlier shipped a previous donation of 50,000 masks through boxing champ Senator Manny Pacquiao's foundation. Ma also shared an online handbook which would guide Filipino doctors, nurses, and other health workers on how to avoid getting infected while treating patients based on China's experience. The Aboitiz Group also said it has given over 5,795 masks to DOH and to add to much-needed medical supplies for health and security workers. The family-owned conglomerate said it has also donated surgical gloves, thermometers, folding beds, laboratory goggles, and tents to boost protection in the provinces. An online fundraising initiative through Aboitiz Kinder has also been rolled out. Earlier, Metrobank and GT Capital Holdings Group of the Teeb family said they are pledging 200 million pesos to respond to health crisis, mainly for the production of more coronavirus test kits by University of the Philippines National Institute for Health, as well as the personal protective equipment for healthcare staff. Customers and employees of the group will also be given some relief as their jobs and salaries are disrupted. The Gokongwei Brothers Foundation, led by the heirs of the late Taipan John Gokongwei Jr., also said they are putting up a 100 million fund to mitigate the impact of COVID-19, which will be spent on additional protective gear of health workers and rapid test kits produced by scientists from UP. The UP Medical Foundation Incorporated and PGH Medical Foundation Incorporated are among the select institutions of GBF's priority list. The Gokongwei Group's food production unit, URC, or the Universal Robina Corporation, said it will be donating coffee, crackers, cup noodles, bottled water, and soy drink products to frontline health workers. SM Group first announced Monday a 100 million allocation to help the government hospitals in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak, with other big businesses following suit. The assistance will be extended to the Philippine General Hospital and the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine, or RITM, for their urgent needs and for improving their laboratory test capacity. To ensure the safety of medical frontliners, SM is bringing in face masks, gowns, visors, hoods, gloves, and shoe covers, as well as urgent medical supplies to help government hospitals who badly need them. SM has also allocated personal protective equipment, or PPE, and medical supplies to UP Medical Foundation Incorporated. The corporation also reached out to Manila Health Tech Incorporated to distribute 20,000 tests for free to the government hospitals once these are already approved. The government's economic team has recently prepared 27.1 billion pesos spending plan for those affected by the coronavirus pandemic as an enhanced community quarantine in Luzon is in effect. The Finance Department says 3.1 billion pesos has been set aside to buy more coronavirus test kits. The fund came from the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, and a grant from the Asian Development Bank. Businessman Manny Pangilinan, who is behind brands like PLDT, Smart, and Meralco, announced that its unit Metro Pacific Hospitals has started sending frontline workers to needed areas and have been importing additional protective gear for their use. Some 4,000 liters of alcohol have also been donated for the government hospitals, while a fundraising drive is ongoing for more help. Over 1,000 grocery packs also have been given to the families of V. Luna Hospital workers via the PLDT Smart Foundation. The Araneta Group likewise announced that the company is donating the UP-made COVID-19 test kits to the Quezon City government through the J. Amado Araneta Foundation. San Miguel Corporation previously announced that it is producing ethyl alcohol in its liquor plant, which is under regulatory approval for public use. The diversified conglomerate said it has started to distribute rubbing alcohol for free to hospitals and local government units. It also assured that the food production continues round the clock to ensure ample supply for Luzon and the rest of the country. San Miguel Corporation said it started distributing food packs containing food, biscuits, spreads, dairy milk drinks, coffee, and water to residents in the city of Manila. Donations will also be extended to other areas in Metro Manila as well as in select hospitals in the coming days. The company also said it has revived baking the Nutribun, or vitamin-packed bread popular for feeding programs in the 1970s, so that families who have no access to food can get sustenance. The buns, which account for a full meal with 250 calories, will be donated to the Caritas Manila for distribution to communities. Tycoon Andrew Tan and the Alliance Global Group also pledged 1 million liters of 70% ethyl alcohol to the Department of Health, the police, military, and local government units. The conglomerate behind Emperador said it will continue to convert its stock of 86% alcohol into the kind that can be used for sanitizing clinics and hospitals.